am so weak. Let it wash over me.
Hi everyone, it's Cosmo and I am back with a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my wash and goes. So I had a couple of people request that I show how I do my hair. And right now my hair is just washed. I shampooed, I conditioned it, and I also deep conditioned. So my hair is clean and ready for me to style it. So in the next clip that's going to come up, you're going to see that I already have half of my hair did. And I'm going to show you everything that I did on this side. And right here, I am just detangling my hair, fluffing it out. And I'm going in with the first product. So this right here is hair grease. This kind I'm using is by Softee. This one came from Dollar Tree. It's just the only one I had in my house. Really, you can use any type of hair grease or maybe even an oil, I'm not sure. But a lot of people with natural hair like to use Blue Magic hair grease. I just didn't have any at the time. So you want to apply that throughout your hair. Now, why am I using hair grease? So if you do wash and goes and you just use gel, your hair is going to dry and it's going to be very, very crunchy. And to get rid of that crunchy feeling, it helps if you use hair grease before you apply the gel. Your hair won't dry and be all hard. It will be soft and it has like a lot of moisture to it. So I only use a little bit of grease, but really you can use more. Now, if you do decide to use more of the grease, just know that your hair may have a chance of flaking up faster if you didn't use as much. Usually it'll flake after about 2 to 3 days. So you just want to keep that in mind when using the grease. But it does help and it does allow your hair to be nice and soft after it dries. So after applying the grease and the water, I'm going to go in with the first gel. The gel I'm going to be using is Xtreme by Wetline. And I got this one from Target. I think you can get it from Target, Walmart, or any drugstore. And I'm going to use that much and apply it throughout the ends of my hair. I'm not going to use this in like my roots. I'm going to use a different gel for that. But you just want to focus this gel on your ends and spread it out evenly. Go in sections if you have to. And just make sure that you get your curls, make sure your curls are starting to pop. And one of the good things about this hair gel is that it doesn't make your hair shrink up as much. So if you wanted to use this alone, you can. It's a good gel. It does make your curls pop and your hair doesn't, shrink as much. So next, I'm going in with another gel. I love this gel. This is the XOXO gel, the olive oil kind. I like to use this one the most. If I don't use this one, I'll use the kind with argan oil. It's the one with the red top and the gel is like a yellow tint. So this is the gel that I'm going to use to apply to my roots. And I like to apply this gel all over. I like to have it in my roots. I like to have it on the ends. This gel, I don't know what it is, but it makes my curls pop. I used to just use this gel alone, but I started using it with the Wetline now. And I'm going to zoom in and I'm showing you what my curls are looking like. They're not super duper defined back there, but if I took my time, it will be more defined. But for me, this is good. And that's how I like it. From this point, you're going to see me do the top portion of my hair. I'm just going to split it up in sections and apply the same gel that I did before. So I'm going to start off with the Wetline and then apply the XOXO again. And I'm just going to speed through this part. Just enjoy the music. I'm going to be back at the end, but don't skip any parts. So just keep on watching and I'll be back. This is the final result of my wash and go. At this point, I'm just going to let my hair air dry, and that's about it. To me, this routine is super easy, it's super fast, and for me, it's quick. So that's why I love it. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. And please make sure that you do not forget to hit the thumbs up button and make sure you subscribe. Bye!